Dale's actually flying out here with recording most of this on all sorts of film.
In this particular video, we'll be looking at the International Space Station and the Space Shuttle film images in orbit around the globe Earth.
Just in our station keeping
as we look
test.
at the
Notice
space
that the people who brought that satellite to us left it in absolutely
entering a
perfect
realm
position with regard to its rotation and lack of nutation,
we have identified
which we appreciate. We can't emphasize that enough. The satellite originally was rotating 50 revolutions per minute, but was slowed down by ground controllers very painstakingly over many weeks' time. Positioned and slowed down, and in the slowing, they left it still turning at a very regular rate. So it made our job absolutely easy.
The North Pole concentrically viewed map image of planet Earth. We see at the equatorial octagonal dome of the rock perimeter of the globe Earth, we see a 1, 2, 3 grouping of pyramid squares, which appears as an ancient Mesopotamian, Babylonian stele pyramid Mercator projection of geographic latitudes and longitudes. As we look at the original images upon the outer wall of the Jerusalem Temple Mount, Dome of the Rock, rectangular window frame, we see a Central Ethiopian cross which appears in all of the Dome of the Rock rectangular window frames. This Central Ethiopian cross is being flanked by a 1, 2, 3 grouping of pyramid squares that points to the Egyptian pyramids, globe, Earth, octagonal, equatorial perimeter of the Dome of the Rock. To first 100% confirm the 1, 2, 3 outer space corners of the Giza pyramids as it relates to the Central Ethiopian crosses, which appears within the rectangular window frames that adorn the Dome of the Rock, octagonal wall structures. We must first look at the Isaiah 19:19 Giza pyramids and its biblical North African Celtic lion sphinx of ancient Judaism, who is referred to in the book of Genesis 49 chapter and 8 verse as the fourth son of Jacob, that actually ruled over all of the 12 sons of Jacob in the original Let My People Go story. Well, when we look at the ancient Islamic Aramaic inscriptions upon the outer wall of the octagonal structure called the Dome of the Rock, we see the same Islamic Aramaic inscriptions in which the Dead Sea Scrolls was written in. Well, when we look at the Islamic alphabet connected to Comet Ison, infrared Q structure in which a German astronomer produced, in which I tagged the 404 infrared structure of New Jerusalem inside of Comet Ison. Now, this structure is the size of our moon. So it uncovers the book of Revelation 21:18, returning cube structure of New Jerusalem. However, inside of the infrared 404 cube structure inside Comet Ison, as seen in the high resolution satellite imagery of a German astronomer, when I filtered and bisymmetrically viewed the infrared cube, I discovered the E34E cube. And at the base of the E34E cube inside of Comet Ison, I discovered a U.F.O. 8. Now the U.F.O. 8 has the Tanzania Stone Town U-shaped entrance temple gate inscription 10 on the outer surface of the Comet Ison's interior Q structure of New Jerusalem U.F.O. 8 image. Now this is a matching inscription 10 that appears on Comet Ison's interior U.F.O. 8.
Earlier EVA. MMUs perform flawlessly, as you heard us talk about from space, and this method of capturing the satellite certainly worked well. And
you can see the arm in the lower right corner of the picture, which was a position that Anna had put it in to assist in our station keeping test. Notice that the people who brought that satellite to us
Elohim.